sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. What do you think of Tom? Tom's backing up. Tom's like, I hear you. Lettie, come here. Say hi to Tom. What happened to my leash?
It's right here.
Oh, I don't like those. They cut the dog's necks. It doesn't make for. Come on. No, there's nothing in there, Lettie. Come on. Kitty is in here. The kitty is in here. Come on, baby. What you doing, Tom? What do you think of this one? I got a couple on that side I need to test. So. Lettie, say hi to Tom. You got a short? Then I'll open it up. Come on, girl. Somewhere where I can. Look, it's a kitty. She's very careful, very cautious. Tom is rolling away from her. She's getting a little, Tom, what do you think? You don't like her? Oh. Lettie, are you going to be nice to the kitty, or are you going to take a chunk out of her?
Look at that. Sorry.
Tom is all curled up and he doesn't like the energy. What do you think, Tom? She's getting very stiff and very focused. She's staring him down. It's not a good sign.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh, that was a growl. Tom is right. All right, next on.